The 2025 auto insurance rate increase of 7.5% is confirmed, impacting drivers nationwide. Texas drivers, already paying above the national average, face significant financial strain. To combat rising costs, consider shopping around for better rates, increasing deductibles, or bundling policies. These strategies can help mitigate the financial impact of this substantial rate hike. The 7.5% rate hike in 2025 compounds the previous year's 19% surge, significantly impacting Texas drivers who already pay above the national average. This increase exacerbates financial strain, highlighting the urgency for drivers to explore cost-saving measures and understand the broader implications of these rising premiums.
Texas drivers face a 6% premium increase in 2025, raising the average annual cost to $2,886. This hike adds $162 to the typical driver's expenses, exacerbating the financial burden despite being slightly below the national average increase.
In 2025, Texas drivers face a 6% premium increase, slightly below the national average of 7.5%. Despite this, the financial burden is significant due to Texas's high baseline premiums of $2,886. Comparatively, New Jersey and California see higher increases at 17.2% and 16.2%, while North Carolina experiences a slight decrease of 0.1%.
Texas drivers face a 6% premium increase, slightly below the national average of 7.5%. However, high baseline costs mean urban areas pay more than rural ones. Vehicle type and coverage levels also significantly affect premiums, creating substantial price variations across the state. Repair costs are rising due to post-pandemic supply chain disruptions, affecting vehicle parts availability. Texas faces frequent severe weather, leading to expensive hail, flood, and storm damage claims. Additionally, inflation impacts car values and labor costs, further driving premium increases. Texas insurance companies are increasing rates in 2025. Allstate, Liberty Mutual, and others are adjusting premiums based on your insurer, driving record, and policy specifics. These changes reflect broader trends affecting repair costs, weather damage, and inflation. Understanding these factors can help you anticipate and manage your insurance expenses effectively. Urban drivers in Houston, Dallas, Austin, and San Antonio face premiums up to 30% higher due to traffic density and claim frequency. Young drivers under 25 may pay 2 to 3 times more, with teen premiums soaring in 2025. Drivers with recent claims, tickets, or accidents see increases of 100% compared to those with clean records. In 2025, the average Texas driver faces a premium increase from $2,124 to $2,886, a $160 rise. Families with teen drivers see a more significant jump, from $5,700 to $6,042, marking a $342 increase. These figures highlight the financial strain on Texas drivers, especially those with young drivers in the household.
Texas experiences a moderate insurance premium increase compared to states like New Jersey and California. However, due to already high baseline costs, Texas drivers face significant financial burdens. This highlights the importance of understanding regional insurance trends and their impact on household budgets. Single drivers face a $13, $18 monthly increase, totaling $216 annually. Couples will see a $18.22 monthly rise, equating to $216 to $264 per year. Families with a teen experience the highest impact, with $25-$35 monthly increases, resulting in $300-$420 annually. These figures highlight the financial burden on different household types. In January 2025, major insurers will announce rate increases. From February to April, the first wave of policy renewals will reflect these new rates. Between May and December, remaining policies will renew with higher premiums. By January 2026, a new rate cycle may introduce further increases. Rate changes apply only at renewal, not mid-policy. Texas faces high insurance rates due to frequent extreme weather events like hailstorms and floods, leading to significant claims. Additionally, approximately 14% of drivers are uninsured, increasing costs for those insured. Urban density in growing metropolitan areas also contributes to higher premiums due to increased traffic and accident rates.
In 2025, Texas insurance premiums are projected to increase by 7.5%, a slowdown compared to recent years' double-digit hikes. Despite this deceleration, premiums continue to rise significantly, impacting drivers' expenses. Understanding these trends is crucial for Texas drivers seeking to manage their insurance costs effectively.
Texas drivers can save by shopping annually for insurance, as loyalty often doesn't pay. Adjusting deductibles can lower monthly payments if higher out-of-pocket costs are manageable. Bundling auto with home or renter's insurance can yield discounts up to 25%. Telematics programs reward safe driving, and seeking discounts for safe driving defensive courses or good grades can further reduce costs. Insurance companies often charge existing customers more than new ones, known as price optimization. By shopping around, drivers can save an average of $500 annually. Regional and smaller insurers may offer better rates than national brands. Utilize free comparison tools from the Texas Department of Insurance to find the best deals.
Telematics programs like Progressive Snapshot, Allstate DriveWise, and State Farm Drive Safe and Save offer significant savings. Progressive provides up to 30% discounts by monitoring driving habits. Allstate rewards safe driving with immediate feedback. State Farm offers up to 30% off for low mileage. Most Texas insurers now offer these, with potential savings of 5 to 30% for safe drivers. For vehicles over 7 years old, consider dropping collision coverage if the car's value is under $3,000. Evaluate comprehensive coverage based on local risk factors. Increasing deductibles from $500 to $1,000 can save 10 to 15%. Review add-ons like roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and gap insurance, ensuring they align with your current needs and existing coverage. Mark your renewal date and set a reminder 30 days prior to shop for new policies. Gather at least 5 quotes with identical coverage levels. Request additional discounts from your current insurer before switching. Report any unfair practices to the Texas Department of Insurance if you suspect discriminatory pricing.
Texas premiums are increasing in 2025, but you can counteract this by comparing 3 to 5 alternatives before renewing. Annually review your coverage as your vehicle ages. Utilize telematics if you're a safe driver, and bundle policies for savings. Inquire about Texas-specific discounts. A few hours of research can save you hundreds of dollars.